Kajing pass bha jong Samla Mendelssohn Langstang ha ka joint entrance examination arjar arpusan da ka bayo banwan ha ka kerdan basaus pa arpusau jong ka JEE All India rank kalapulong yu menteri ketenat puliputhi ke Khuborjylla urakam e sangma ban ai ka Jingiaroh ka bakrau. Habakren bekilat pathai Khubor, Menteri Uloong Ru ba New Samla Pule na North Liberty High Secondary School, West Janta Hills, ula pas bha wat ha ke exam HSSLC Science mentau snem. Halor kani, Menteri ula ai ke Jingiaroh e school, yekino hikai bat khamtam yeki kimi ki kpa ki badon bentah ke jing pas bha jong u. Ulai thu bo New Samla Pule ulai yo ban beteng ye kejing pule menta ha ka IIT Madras kawai ni kijaka pule bapau nam ha kari.
For cracking JEE.
Look, we feel proud to announce that one of our students, maybe more, but as information received, one our youngs, I mean students from North Liberty High Secondary School, Zawai, Mr. Mendelssohn Langstang, class 12, completed Ministry of this batch, has qualified for prestigious JEE Advanced Exam 2025, and he got admission for BTech courses in IIT Madras. So, and also if we look back to the last year, Mr. Jonathan Songma from Tura, he also cracked in JEE with the highest rank in the country. He got admission in IIT Bombay. So this gives us the impressive, inspiring message to every one of us as a government. We feel proud that our children are doing better now. Maybe these are all collective efforts from the parents, from the community, from the schools, from the teachers, and from the government too. And I've been told by the teachers that the decision of the state government to adopt Ncert textbook, it's really a single result. So many has been qualified for others national level exam, be it NEET, be it JEE. So this is what we are happy today, that at least our students are doing excellently better in the various national level exam and so on.